Right. Good morning, sir, and good morning, my friends. My name is Manish Pandey. Today I am so happy because my topic is same like happiness. This word is like a medicine, you know, because when we get happy, our cells and our body parts get feel happy. It's not a word, it's a feeling. Why are you talking about happiness? Because happiness is most important to survive and live their life, lives their life. Nowadays, everyone are running in their life. No one has satisfaction. Everyone want to do more things. Everyone want to do good things in their life. But the real things, there is no limit of satisfaction. Because if I will give my example, when I started my career, I have started my career as a ground. I belong from supply chain industry. Right now, I have 5 years of experience. But before 5 years, when I started my journey, then I got job my 11,000, 20,000 per month. That time, that time was a struggle for me. Then I thought that time ki if my salary will be 20,000, then my life will be settled. Within 1 year, my salary get 20,000. Got 20,000. Then my satisfaction get increased. Ki yaar, this salary is not enough for me. I need earn more money. I need at least 30,000. If I earn 30,000, I can manage easily. I can do good life. Within a next year, I earn 28,000. Then I feel that ki yaar, this salary is not enough for me. Because other hand, salary get increasing, our desire get increasing. So both are not matching. So right now I am earning good amount, but still I am paying EMI. Even EMI are more than my salary, because when we earn money, when we satisfaction and desires get increased. So it's a fact. And right now, not me, even those people are earn 5 lakhs per month, but they have not satisfied in their life. They have worried. They end their salary, they don't have money to do good things. If they need urgent, they feel that how have to manage, because they have not satisfaction. They are earning 5 lakh per month, but they want to earn more money because they have invested more. They live their life luxuries, and ultimately there is no happiness. So I think happiness is important, because if we earn whatever amount, but we should enjoy their life. In India, everyone want to just ran away to do achieve at a specific things, but happiness is happiness कहीं खो गया है. Like what would you say?
Happiness is lost somewhere.
Happiness is lost somewhere. So we should understand कि apart from professional life, there is a personal life. We should enjoy, and whatever we have, whatever God we have, we give, we should enjoy, because life, we don't know कि we are right now we are breathing, but tomorrow, yeah, within after second, we will survive or not. We got everything anytime God happens. So we should enjoy our life. We should always get happy, because if we will get happy, we can get confidence, we can get interact with each other happily. So I think happiness is important, and we should uh, live with happy life with family. We should take more time to invest with family, with colleague, with friend, because it's a real life. We will enjoy with friends that moments we didn't forget. But uh, I think I have shared all things what I want to say. So thank you all of you. Thank you.
Guys, first of all, can you all please come like in these front chairs? Please all come here. We are not expecting so many guests today, so please you all come and sit at the front. Beta, Gaurav, why are you sitting so back? इतने पीछे क्यों बैठे हो? Please, मैं आप लोग भी आगे आ जाइए. We have these shoes. Please. ये बता के और ऐसे. Okay, now the person has come. इनको आदत पड़ी है कहीं बिना बताए चले जाते हैं. Okay, so yesterday I gave some instructions to you. Those were left. है ना, कुछ रह गए थे बच्चे. I decided that I will give you chance once again to come on the stage and present your ideas. You have got 3 minutes. You have to start like a pro and you have to end like a pro. ठीक है? Don't think, don't worry what you are going to speak. What happens?